Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to run through some speed, distance, time, exam questions. So each of these are foundation and higher, so they are relevant for everyone. Okay, so question 1. Ollie drove for 56 kilometres from Liverpool to Manchester. He then drove 61 kilometres from Manchester to Sheffield. His average speed from Liverpool to Manchester was 70 kilometres, and it took him 75 minutes to get from Manchester to Sheffield. What we want to do is work out his average speed for the whole trip. Okay, so first of all, remember our awesome little SDT triangle for speed, distance, time. Cover over whichever one you want, and it leaves you with the formula that you need to work that thing out. So we want to work out Ollie's average speed for the whole journey, so we are using S equals distance over time. So we need to work out two things for this question. We need to know his total distance, which we can actually get fairly easily, and then also his total time. So first of all, let's go for the total distance. So we know the first part of his journey was 56 kilometres, and then the second is 61. So we want to do 56 add 61, which will give us 117 kilometres. So that's his total distance for the whole journey. Next thing we need is to work out his total time. So we know on the second leg of his journey, it took him 75 minutes. What we need to work out is the time it took him to get from Liverpool to Manchester. So this time, in the old triangle, if we cover up T, it leaves us with T equals distance over speed. So for the first leg of his journey, distance was 56 kilometres and his speed was 70 kilometres. So if we work those two into the formula, we will get time is 56 divided by 70. Now if you work that into your calculator, you will get 8 tenths or 4/5. So that is 4/5 of an hour. So what we then need to do with that is turn that into minutes. So 4/5 of an hour is 4/5 times 60 minutes. So 1/5 of 60 is 12, times that by 4 is 48 minutes. So that's how long, in minutes, the first part of his journey took him. Now we can work out the total time for the whole journey. So the total time is that 48 minutes plus the 75 minutes that it took him for the second leg of his journey. So 48 add 75 is 123 minutes. So now we need to turn 123 minutes into hours. So 123 minutes is 120 minutes plus 3 minutes. 120 minutes is 2 hours, and then we've got 3 minutes. Now really, we now need to turn the 3 minutes into a decimal of an hour. So to do that, if you do 3 divided by 60, you will get 0.05. So the whole time is 2, let's call it TT, total time. The whole time is 2.05 hours. So we can now work out his average speed. So his average speed for the whole journey was, well, we know his total distance was 117 kilometers divided by 2.05 hours gives us, to the nearest kilometer, 57 kilometers per hour. That was not a very nice question. Hope you followed it alright, guys. Okay, question 2, something nicer, I think. Here we have 3 routes, A, B and C, that get us from town X to town Y. So we've got route A, which is 25 miles, and our average speed is 50 miles an hour. Then we've got route B, which is 20 miles long, and the average speed is 30 miles an hour. And then route C, we've got 30 miles at 40 miles an hour. So the question asks us, which route takes the longest time? And as ever, we must show our workings. So again, get the triangle out on the go. So remember, S, T, T. Here we want to work out times. So time is distance over speed. So let's do that for each of the 3 routes. So with route A, well, it's 25 miles long at 50 miles per hour. So that is 25 over 50. Work that in calculator and you will get half an hour. If we go along route B, we get route B is 20 miles at 30 miles an hour. So that is 20 divided by 30, which is 2/3 of an hour. Or we've got route C, which is 30 miles long at 40 miles an hour. So 30 divided by 40 is 3/4 of an hour. So we've got our 3 times in terms of hours. Might make it easier if we convert those into minutes. So half an hour is 30 minutes. 2/3 of an hour, well, 1/3 is 1/3 of 60, which is 20. 2 times that then is 40 minutes. And 3/4 of an hour is 40 5 minutes. So the answer to the first bit, route C, takes the longest time. Again, and part B is slightly trickier. So John and Matt take the same time to travel from X to Y. John travels along route B at 10 miles per hour faster than the average speed. Matt travels along route C. The question asks us, does Matt travel faster or slower than the average speed for route C, and by how much? So, the first thing we need to work out then is how long it takes John Bon Jovi to go along route B. So, he's going 10 miles per hour faster than the average speed. So, route B is 20 miles at 30 miles an hour. So, John is going to be travelling at 40 miles an hour. So, John's time, let's call that JT, is going to be 20 miles divided by 40 miles per hour. So that is going to be half an hour or 30 minutes. So now we know Matt travels along route C in 30 minutes. So going back, route C is 30 miles long. So for Matt, he has to go 30 miles in 30 minutes. So that's actually a mile a minute. So his speed has to be 60 miles an hour. Again, 30 miles in 30 minutes means 1 mile every minute. So 60 minutes in an hour, 60 miles per hour. So Matt is going to be travelling at 60 miles per hour. Now the average speed for route C, remember, is 40 miles an hour. The answer to our question is yes. He will be travelling faster by 20 miles per hour. Okay, third and final question for this video then. The direct route between two airports A and B is 450 kilometers. An aircraft leaves airport A at 9:15 and it gets to airport B at 10:55. We want to work out the average speed of the aircraft. So, first of all, we need to work out how long it takes. So, let's break this down. 9:15 to 10 would be 45 minutes. Then 10 to 10:55 is 55 minutes. Altogether, 55 and 45 is 100 minutes. So in minutes, this journey has taken 100 minutes. Now, really we want that in terms of hours. So 1 hour is 60 minutes and then there's 40 minutes left over. So 100 minutes is 1 whole hour and 40 sixtieths, or that will simplify to 1 2/3 of an hour. which we could also write, and I think this is going to be the best form for us to write this in. We could write this as an improper fraction, which would be 5/3 of an hour. So we want to work out the average speed. Again, remember, speed is distance over time. So we know the distance is 450 kilometers. The time is 5/3 of an hour. So we're doing 450 divided by 5/3. So you could do that in your calculator. This is the same as doing 450 times 3/5, which is going to give us 270 kilometers per hour. Okay, then for part B, we're told actually the aircraft did not travel the direct route between the two airports. So, direct route really, straight line. So the aircraft did not travel in a straight line. We're asked, what effect would this have on the average speed? Well, if the aircraft hasn't travelled in a straight line, it's going to have travelled a greater distance. So it's gone a greater distance in the same amount of time, which means it's going to have gone faster. So the average speed would be faster because the aircraft has gone a greater distance in the same amount of time. Okay guys, hope you found this useful. If you have any requests, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to get subscribed. Take care, take it easy.